Now I am writing here some important properties which will help you when you solve the questions based on the pair of straight lines. So the first property is, you know that if h square is equal to ab, then the pair of a straight line are parallel. So the first property is, if h square is equal to ab, then the distance between two parallel lines is given by, this is 2 into root under g square minus ac upon a into a plus b. When you open this bracket, it becomes a square plus ab, and according to this condition, the ab is equal to h square. So you can write it, or 2 into root under g square minus ac upon a square plus h square. So this is the first. Now I am writing the second one. The second one is, if the equation of pair of straight lines, which we'll write in general form, then the mixed term, which is 2hxy, can be removed by rotating axis through an angle alpha, such that tan 2 alpha is equal to 2h upon a minus b, or you can say alpha is equal to half tan inverse 2h upon a minus b. This is the second property. Now the third is, if the equation of pair of straight lines passing through the origin be ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, then equation of pair of straight lines passing through the origin and perpendicular to the given pair of straight line is, so this will be bx square minus 2hxy plus ay square is equal to 0. You can remember this formula, this rule, as like that we will interchange the coefficient of x square and y square, and we will change the sign of h. That is, we will change the sign of coefficient of xy. Here it's plus, so it becomes minus. Here the coefficient of x square is a and coefficient of y square is b, so it will interchanged and it becomes coefficient of x square as b and coefficient of y square as a. Now the fourth, the equation of pair of straight lines passing through a given point x1 y1 and parallel to a given pair of straight lines, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. That means this is a given straight line passing through the origin. Now you have to find out the equation of pair of straight lines which are parallel to these two pair of straight lines and passing through the x1 y1, that is point of intersection of those two lines will be x1 comma y1. So this becomes, the equation of lines will be a x minus x1 whole square plus 2h x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus b y minus y1 whole square is equal to 0. Now here it's only the shifting of origin. Basically it's only the shifting of origin. When 0 0 becomes x1 y1, then what will be the effect on the equation of this straight line? Same way is this. Now the next property is, equation of pair of straight lines passing through the origin and 2 points of intersection of a curve ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and a line lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Means this curve, second degree curve, and this straight line, these two intersect each other at 2 points, and through those 2 points and origin, two straight line can pass. So what will be the equation of those two straight line? Now from the figure I'm explaining you. See, the figure is this one. You can see here, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the curve, and this is the straight line lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Now this line and this curve, which is the second degree curve, these two intersect each other at the point A and at the point B. Now you have to join these two points with origin, that is A with O, B with O, and then you will get two straight lines. And now you have to find out the equation of these two straight lines. So now student, you can see here, when you join the point A and the origin and the point B and the origin, you will get two straight lines. Then you have to find out the combined equation of these two straight lines OA and OB, which we can find out by using one method, that solve this equation and this equation. Like solve lx plus my plus n equal to 0 and ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Solve these two equations simultaneously and you will get two values of x and two values of y, that is, one is coordinate of A and one is coordinate of B. Now once you get the coordinate of A, you have the coordinate of O also. By using 2 points form, you can find the equation of OA. Similarly, by using 2 points form, you can find the equation of OB. And when you multiply these two equations, you will get the combined equation of pair of straight lines OA and OB. Now the second method, because this method is a lengthy process, finding point of intersection, then finding equation, and then multiplying. So I'm using another method which is called homogenization. Means we will convert this equation into the homogeneous equation in 2 degree with the help of this equation. That homogeneous equation will give you the equation of pair of straight lines OA and OB. Now see how we can make it. See, lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is given here. From here you can find out lx plus my is equal to minus n. Now when you divide the whole equation by minus n, it becomes minus lx plus my upon n is equal to 1. That is, 1 is equal to minus lx plus my upon n. Now this value of 1 we will substitute in the basically general equation. Now given equation is written here, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now see, you have to make homogeneous equation of second degree. Here the degree is 2, here the degree is 2, here the degree is 2. So there is no change at all in these three terms. Now here the degree is 1. It means here you have to multiply by a polynomial whose degree is 1. In this term the degree is 0. So here you have to multiply by a polynomial whose degree is 2. See how we will make it. Ax square, no change, plus 2hxy, no change, plus by square, no change, because of all of these three terms are second degree term. Now this 2gx plus 2fy, can we write it 2gx plus 2fy into 1 plus c into 1 square and then equal to 0. And see here, the value of 1 is minus Lx plus my upon n. So we can substitute. Here the 1 is minus Lx plus my upon n. So here also we can substitute. And after substituting these values, it becomes this one. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy into minus Lx plus my upon n plus c into minus Lx plus my upon n whole square is equal to 0. And this will be the equation of pair of lines OA and OB. This process is making quadratic equation homogeneous with the help of the equation of straight line.